This is a video on how to install a screen in a Dell Studio 1569. First, you need to remove the battery. Now on this particular unit, there's 4 beauty covers you have to remove to get to the screws, one in each corner. Remove the 4 screws. Then you got to remove the bezel. Now this bezel is a little tough. You have to use a flat plastic stick or a plastic pry tool. Next, there was 3 screws in each hinge. And a screw in each top corner of the LCD. Lay it down and remove the plastic tape. Lift it up carefully and unplug the connector. To install, it's just the reverse. Connect the connector. Put the tape back down. Get it positioned so that the pins all line up. And install the screws. This particular unit had 2 different size screws. And especially in the hinge, there was 2 different sizes. Just be careful which one you use. We're going to test it before we finish putting the bezel on. So install the battery and turn it on and see if it works. Ah, look at that, it worked. Take off the film, protected the screen. Put the bezel back on very carefully. Push on the outside edges, do not push on the screen at all. Replace the 4 screws in the corners. And then replace the beauty covers. And we're going to test it one more time. And once again, we got another perfect screen from Screen Country, www.screencountry.com. Haven't had a bad one yet.